Yeah, here at the mine. This is at Kasanda, Lubali, Kasanda. Yes, this mine is about 2 square miles in size and is basically composed of several small-scale artisans. We have different sizes of pits like this one, as you can see. The whole place, as you can see, is covered by several mining projects and individual miners, as you can see. Up to the top of that hill, all those reddish, all those red-like red or orange tarpaulins are all mines. Those are all shafts that go up to as far as 300 feet underground, beneath the ground. All that, as you can see. We got some visitors from UK, as you can see. A team from UK had visited our site. See this gentleman holding this is a man from UK, had visited our site on behalf of one of their companies. Had come here. You can see this is Kasanda. All this. Let's get it in manga. All these are places where open cast mining has been done, as you can see. Open casts and the crest here. So the activity is taking quite time here, as you can hear in the background. All those are sounds of machinery during the processing of the rocks, grinding of the rocks, as you can hear.